It's time to meet our line blowing products, each with its unique features. Ultralight Birds are made of polyurethane and are about half the weight of regular line darts. Their cones are tough, yet extremely thin, allowing them to be easily inverted if the dart gets stuck, facilitating easy retrieval. Inflatable birds are made of coated nylon and stitched for extra strength. Designed to blow through ducting that already contains cable, they offer durability and reliability. For more information on these products, visit our website here, dcddesign.com. DCD foam birds are commonly used to carry pull tapes through empty ducting and to spread lubricant before pulling cable. They fit standard duct sizes from 2 inches to 6 inches. Parachute birds feature a large open mouth to catch and harness air effectively, traveling faster and farther than other models. Made of coated nylon, they are suitable for use in occupied duct. Main difference: while ultralight birds are lightweight and easy to retrieve, inflatable birds are strong and designed for use in ducts with existing cables. Foam birds are versatile for both pulling and lubricating, and parachute birds excel in speed and distance due to their design. Contact DCD by phone or email. Toll-free 1-888-794-8357 sales at dcddesign.com.